Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to create a new symbol in Pro mode. First, let's take care of a few basic settings. Go to Settings, System, General. Change Symbol Library Management to Pro mode. Set the New Library pop-up option to fill. Then, click Apply and click OK. Now we can start creating a new component. For this example, I'll use the CH340N chip, which is pretty common. Type name CH340N. Click Manage Categories. For the first level category, choose Serial Communication IC. For the second level, choose SMD. Then, click Apply and Confirm. This makes it much easier to keep our components organized later. Select the category we just set up and click Confirm again. In Pro mode, symbol supports reuse. That means once you draw a symbol, you can link it to multiple components. You don't need to redraw it each time. Next, let's create the actual symbol. Click New Symbol, Confirm, to enter the symbol editor. Before we start, open LCSC and find the CH340N datasheet. We can see this chip has 8 pins. Back in the editor, for chips like this, we can use the Wizard tool. Choose the right type. Set the pin count to 8. Click Generate Symbol, Confirm. Once created, adjust the border size a little. Then, following the datasheet, rename the pins. Adjust the border again so it looks neat. Finally, press Ctrl+S to do a quick save. Now, if we look in the library panel, go to Personal Communication IC SMD. We will see the component we just created.